Yes guys, we're over 1 million views on my channel. I'm pretty psyched about this. And now I'm gonna show you something that I've been working on my separate channel, and I want you to see it. But not just yet. First of all, thank you again for viewing my channel and subscribing to my channel and keeping close to me and answering in the comments. First, I just want to clarify some things that I've been reading in the comments and that I really don't like because they're coming from my nationals. Okay, let's start with the beginning. About the English part and speaking only in English and not in my own native language, that is Romanian, if you didn't know that by now. And I've chosen this language because not only that I want my content to be worldwide accessed, but when I was searching the web before I bought my car, and I was searching the web for videos on the e90s and in general in BMW, 80% of them were in English, and that was really okay, and I've understood them all, and the majority of the clips, like I said, were in English. But there was some interesting and really nice clips recorded in other languages that I didn't understand, like Polish, like German. There are some nice clips in Russia made from some Russian guy, and this is pretty hard. And I said to myself, yes, I'm gonna make a channel, and I'm gonna speak in a national circulated language, and for that obviously I've chosen English. So yeah, I know that not being a native speaker of English, the accent is really not an American one, and I do have a little of mishaps here and there, but I think overall my content is well understood, and it shows in the content. I have to talk a little about on the downside of having a Romanian channel. I have seen that we have a lot of people that really don't care about the work you do, your passion for doing these clips, and they really spoil all the fun of it, and they start to curse, swear on the comments and all of those things. And as you saw, my comments are really clean. I don't let that hate and that hatred get into the clips. I have to say that at first, when my channel was little, not what I'm saying now, it's still little, but we are 1,500 people here. It's not that small like when I started 1.5 years ago and I had only 30 people. When the channel was really small, what I was going to say is that all of the comments were from the Romanian part, and they were full of hate, full of I don't know why it was like that, because I was still producing the same content. When I tried to explain something in English, because some of the viewers didn't understand all the words, they started throwing hate speech and stuff like that. But it didn't matter. I've kept on my passion, and here we are, almost 55 videos, and yeah, 1 million views on the channel. I've got that out of my chest. Now you know. I hope you'll stay on my channel for the next part. I have prepared some nice videos for you. I'll leave you now with a new clip on my second channel that I'll post, and you can access that. And it's another passion of mine. I don't know if you're gonna like it or hate it. This is another thing that I really like, and I want to share that with you. Hope you enjoy it, and do subscribe on that channel. If you don't, that is your option, and I respect that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you didn't. Hit that bell icon. Thank you again for making this channel grow and supporting me to not let go of this passion. Okay, now I'll let you with the video. Hope you enjoy it.